LEDsmart Plus is a digital dimmer, and that's different to the LEDsmart because it's got a built-in switch as well. So you don't need a separate mechanism on the switch and the dimmer. You just have it all built into one mechanism that fits into most Australian wall plates. Now this is a rotary dimmer, and a rotary dimmer's got the dial on it. In the package it comes with a large dial and a small dial, as well as latex rings to go around the dial to provide circuit identification or to match the aesthetics in the home. There's a very, very simple way to program all these different features in the LEDsmart Plus. Primarily, you press and hold the button for about 10 seconds and the dimmer will start to flash to you to indicate that it's in a programming mode. Now, if I wanted to program thing number 3, which could be the minimum level, I press the button 3 times on the dimmer, it flashes back to me with its backlight 3 times. I know I'm in thing number 3, and then I can dim it down to that level that I want to set as a minimum, press it again, and the dimmer's programmed. And that's the same for the maximum level, exactly the same process. A few of the other benefits of the dimmer, it's got a memory dimmer built into it as well, so it will remember the level at which the lights were turned off, which is really, really useful if you want to get up in the middle of the night and go to the bathroom, you don't blind yourself. It's also got a quick flick functionality. With a quick flick to the right on the LEDsmart Plus rotary dimmer, the dimmer will instantly go to 100%. A quick flick to the left or counterclockwise will immediately send all the lights to its minimum level, and that might be off. In addition to that, it's also got what we call the double tap feature. So I may have my lights at its maximum level, I come along and I double tap the dimmer, and over the next 30 minutes the dimmer will dim to its minimum level, and again that might be off. So to put that into an application, that application may be a child's bedroom. Perhaps you've got a child that's afraid to go to sleep, or perhaps they'd like to read and put themselves off to sleep. They have the lights on, you double tap it, the lights will dim down to the minimum level. Now if the lights go off, the dimmer's also got a backlight feature in there, so the backlight will then turn on and it will act like a night light for the child. Of course, if you don't like the light on at night, that can be turned off as well. That's another one of the features. Transfer that application into a hospitality environment. Because I've got 400 watts of load and a 1 watt minimum load on the dimmer, plenty of LED dimming for a restaurant. You might have multiple lighting circuits in a restaurant or a bar. But every night at 6 o'clock, I have my dinner scene, for example. I can double tap all of my dimmers and they will all dim down to the minimum dining scene level over 30 minutes. If there's an event in the restaurant or the bar and you need light instantly, you can quick flick all of the dimmers and instantly they go to 100%. Take care of the event, and then you can quick flick them all to the left again, they all go to the minimum, or you can double tap them all and fade them down over 30 minutes. So some very practical applications for the dimmer.